nze kinnewuunyisa kuba
basoleka okujagalalo ekyo tekiriyo mu mateeka ga omuntu talina kusibibwa mu kifo kitalambikiddwa mu mateeka kifo kya kusiba nolwekyo twagala ne kkooti erangirire nti amaka ga Honorable Kyagulanyi si kkomera bwaba waliwo emisango gyonna alina twalibwa mu maaso g'omulamuzi n'akubibwa mu kifo ekiteekeddwa nga ekkomera naye ate ne kkomera abantu okkirizibwa okulaba abantu be akkirizibwa okulaba abooluganda lwe akkirizibwa okulaba namateeka lwe n'olwekyo ekyokukwata omuntu mu kifo ekitateekeddwa kkomera kikyamu era kimenya amateeka era twagala kkooti ekirangirire ekyo nti tewaliwo kifo kyebasobola mukuumiramu nga sikirangire emateeka that the private property of Honorable Kyagulanyi, his home, is not a lawful gazetted place for custody. We've heard the police spokesperson saying that Honorable Kyagulanyi is being detained because of preventing other crimes, which we think it's unlawful because under our laws, under the constitution, a person is not supposed to be held without in a place which is not gazetted as a detention facility. And even those who are held in detention facilities, they are allowed access to food, they are allowed access to relatives, they are allowed access to legal counsel. So we want a declaration from court that the private property of Honorable Kyagulanyi is not a prison, is not a gazetted detention place, and if there are any lawful charges against him, he should be detained in a place which is duly gazetted under the laws.
kimaze okukakasibwa nti mukyala Kyagulanyi naye takkirizibwa kufuluma makaago nga ne lwe yagezezzaako okugendako mu nnimiro okufunayo emmere amagye gamuharasinze ne gamugaana n'olwekyo tukisanze nga nakyo kyetaagisa okuba nti ayingira butereevu mu proceedings zino naye kkooti okusobola okulagira eddembe lye liteebwe in English of these proceedings. But we've realized that Barbara's freedom to movement has also been restricted by the security forces which have been deployed at their home. So that square brings her into the ambit of legal proceedings for court to pronounce itself on her freedom to movement.
I think it is illegal. We have our right to stay in our home, to go out whenever we want, and to go in wherever we want, to host whoever we want to host as a visitor. We are not under legal detention, but the situation around us shows that we are under house arrest. I think it is shameless of our security agencies to do this to us, even when they know that the world is actually watching.
Mr. Wine, do you feel under siege here? Would you agree with your wife that, in fact, you are under house arrest?
Now I agree that we are under siege, knowing that the internet is completely shut down, and I don't know if I informed you that my wife's phone and my phone and our security guard's phone and our home, our house phone have all been blocked. We cannot make any call and we cannot receive any call.
Do you feel that you would be free to leave your home if you wished right now, if you walked out the front door?
Well, I don't know. All I know is that they've been checking every car that comes in, but most importantly, every car that comes out of my house.
When they saw us walk down, on our way back, the others who were hiding just around there came running and saying in Uganda that he's here, he's going. So that means they are alert and they do not want him to go in. That's a sign.
Mr. One, have you advanced your thinking from earlier today when you said that you might have a message for the people of Uganda about protests and what sort of course of action you might now take given the state of affairs?
Yeah, I've not been able to meet my leadership team owing to the events that have been happening and the insecurity that I feel, but I can guarantee that I will be able to communicate to my team and I will communicate to the world our guidance to the nation moving forward.
Uganda,